Do you hear that? Tick-tock. That's the sound of your life slipping away. Every second you waste scrolling through your phone, doubting yourself, or procrastinating is a second you'll never get back. And let me tell you something, time doesn't care about your excuses. You either get busy living or get busy dying. That's not just a quote, it's the harsh reality most people ignore. So let me ask you, are you living? Or are you just existing, waiting for some miracle to change your life? Because newsflash, nobody's coming to save you. It's all on you. Here's the truth that nobody tells you, you're wasting your potential. And don't shake your head or look away, I'm talking to you. Deep down, you know it. You know you're not giving it your all. You know you're settling for less, making excuses, blaming others, and staying in your comfort zone because it's easy. But guess what? Success isn't easy. Life isn't fair. And that's okay because the only thing that matters is what you do about it. Don't cry about the results you didn't get for the work you didn't do. Stop complaining. Stop waiting. Stop thinking life owes you something. Because the only thing life owes you is a grave, and that's coming sooner than you think. Pain is inevitable. You've been through it, I've been through it. But here's what separates the winners from the losers. Winners use pain as fuel. Losers? They let it break them. Listen, every setback, every failure, every rejection, they're not there to stop you. They're there to teach you, to mold you into someone stronger. The strongest steel is forged in the hottest fire. So what's it gonna be? Are you going to let pain define you? Or are you going to use it to become unstoppable? Think about this, every time you say, I can't, someone else is out there proving they can. Every time you quit, someone else is pushing harder. And every time you feel sorry for yourself, someone else is taking your spot. Let me be brutally honest, your excuses are worthless. I don't have time. Really? You have the same 24 hours as Elon Musk, Oprah, and every other successful person on this planet. I'm too tired. Guess what? So is everyone else. But they don't stop. I don't know where to start. Then figure it out. The internet has all the answers if you're willing to look. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. And let me tell you something about limits, they're in your mind. The only thing stopping you from achieving greatness is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't. Rip that story apart. Write a new one. Make it one of resilience, grit, and unshakable determination. Now, let's talk about your dreams. What's your vision? Not the one you tell people to sound impressive, but the one that keeps you up at night. The one that scares you because it's so big. Here's the truth, a vision without action is nothing but a daydream. You want success? Then work for it. You want freedom? Then earn it. You want to be great? Then start acting like it. Dream big. Start small. But most importantly, start. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for motivation to hit. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline is what gets the job done. So wake up early. Stay up late. Sacrifice your comfort today for the life you want tomorrow. Life is all about choices. Every single day, you have two options. 1. Stay the same. 2. Become better. It's that simple. And no, it's not easy, but it's worth it. Because the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. One day or day one. You decide. So what's it gonna be? Are you going to keep making excuses? Or are you going to take control of your life? Are you going to let fear hold you back? Or are you going to face it head on? Here's the most important thing I want you to take away from this, your future is in your hands. Nobody else's. Not your parents, not your friends, not society's, yours. You have everything you need to succeed inside you. The fire. The potential. The drive. But it's up to you to ignite it. Stop waiting for a sign. Stop waiting for permission. This is your sign. This is your permission. The best way to predict the future is to create it. So, what are you waiting for? Get up. Show up. Never give up. Because you are capable of greatness, but only if you're willing to work for it. Remember, time waits for no one. Excuses build nothing. And every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. This is your life. Your story. Your legacy. So make it one worth telling. Now, get out there and make it happen. No more excuses. No more waiting. Your time is now. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Break them. Rise. Subscribe and like this video for more motivation. The journey to greatness starts here.